how to add or remove Gcash in CODM. Pay with Gcash on Call of Duty. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. And in today's video, we will be talking about how you will be able to use Gcash as an interaction or as a payment method on your COD mobile. So as you can notice on our screen, we're currently on my Play Store because actually with your Call of Duty, it's not actually doing an interaction directly with Gcash, but it is an interaction between Gcash and Play Store. So whatever account is logged into and connected with your Call of Duty, it will be used in your Play Store to buy and do the payment process. So all you need to do is go over here on your Play Store and use whatever account that you are using on your CODM mobile. After that, go over here, open your profile, click on payment and subscription, click on payment methods, and in this section, this is where you should be able to find your Gcash option over here. You could add your Gcash over here, or you could remove Gcash from your payment methods as well. And just like that, you will be able to use Gcash for your CODM payments, or you could remove it either way. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.